Today we're servicing a Suzuki 90 horsepower outboard with a full oil change. The first step is to remove the cowling. Using an 8mm socket, remove the port side panel. Be sure to unplug the power trim and tilt. Next, we'll unscrew the oil drain plug. If it's your first oil change, do a full drain because there may be metal shavings from the factory. After, be sure to clean any oil that may have gone on the midsection. Now we'll move on to changing the oil filter. To reduce spillage, put oil absorption mats or rags underneath the old oil filter. After removing the old oil filter, we're going to replace it with 16510-61A33. This number may change to 33, 31, or 32, but they are all the same. Before install, take old oil and rub it around the rim. Screw in the oil filter until hand tight. Be sure to read the label on top of your engine for how much oil will be needed and what type of oil will be needed. Before we change the lower unit oil, be sure to trim your engine up. Begin by unscrewing the bottom drain plug, then the top drain plug. Now with both removed, we'll be able to replace the gaskets before we put it back inside. After, we're going to attach our lower unit pump onto our lower unit oil. Now screw the 10mm adapter on the bottom hole. We'll start to pump our oil until we see the oil coming out of the top drain plug that we just removed. Be sure to trim the engine level so the oil flows properly. Now that the oil is flowing out of the top hole, we can screw back in our drain plug. Remove the pump and screw the bottom drain plug back in. Both plugs will now have new gaskets. Be sure to clean any residual oil that might have gone on the lower unit while draining. Now check your oil level and be sure it's the correct amount. Make sure to dispose of oil properly per local regulations. Now, just reinstall everything how it originally was. Now, to test the motor, we'll grab a pair of earmuffs and attach them to the intake covers.
Turn the water on.
Then we'll start the engine to make sure everything is running smoothly. After running the motor, allow a few minutes for the oil to flow to the bottom. Then check the oil level one last time after running to account for the lost oil. Now we're going to reset the alarm. Keep the battery on, remove the emergency switch, and pull the emergency stop 4 times. This will reset the alarm until your next oil change is needed. And that's it. We just did our first oil change and we're ready to hit the water. All products used in the video can be found on boatmaxonline.com. We hope this video helped you guys and wish to see you in the next one.